Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna be making a tote bag. The tote bag that we will be making has a height of 14 inches and width of 12 inches. So here are the materials that we're gonna be using. Let's start with our first step, which is to sew the straps. Get your 25 inches by 3 inches fabric and fold them in half. After that, fold the raw sides again for about ½ inch. You may use an iron to iron your fabric in order to have a cleaner outcome. But in our case, we are just continually folding the fabric while we are sewing. And we're done. Let's move on to the second step. Get your 13 inches by 31 inches fabric. After that, fold the 31 inches in half and then sew the sides together. And just repeat on the other side. The next step is to sew the non-woven on the sides. Fold your non-woven fabric in half and sew it together with the raw sides of the canvas fabric that you sewed a while ago. If non-woven is not available, you can just make use of the zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. So this is how it should look like. Last but not the least is to attach the straps. First, fold the upper part of the body for about 1½ inch. Then, let's measure the height of the body. That should be 14 inches. You may adjust your fold if necessary. Next, fold it in half and mark it on 2.5 inches from the inside. After that, we're ready to sew. Insert the raw edge for about 1/2 inch and sew it alongside. Then we're gonna get our strap and insert it outside the mark like shown in the video. Get to the other end of the same strap and insert it again outside the mark. And just repeat on the other side. Then sew it on the uppermost part of the body with an X stitch on the strap. To understand more of what I said, just follow the video. And we're done. So here's how the stitches look like. And here's the outcome of our work. Thank you everyone. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos. If you want to connect with us on our other social media accounts, the link is on the description box.